Are you struggling to share sensitive information like passwords with your clients securely within Basecamp? Don't worry, because today, we're diving into the best practices for sharing passwords securely through Basecamp. The first and most crucial method is utilizing a password manager. Encourage your clients to create a strong, unique password for the resource they need to share. Then, they should store it in a password manager like LastPass, 1Password, or Dashlane. Almost all password managers let you create a link that is encrypted, sent one time, and then self-destructs, eliminating the need to send or receive the password directly through Basecamp. If a password manager isn't an option, instruct your client to create a text document within the relevant Basecamp project. In this document, your client should type out the information they need to send, and then share the document with only the relevant project members who need to see it. Never make it visible to the entire company. Remind your client to let you know once they've shared the information, and after you've used it. Create a to-do item in Basecamp to remind them to delete the document. Once the password is no longer needed, the client should immediately delete the text document to prevent unauthorized access. In the future, remember to regularly update any shared passwords and maintain these secure practices to protect your confidential data within Basecamp.